Welcome to the MLS Moment. Today's topic is the 2026 Coming Soon listing rule changes. New Coming Soon rule changes will be taking effect on January 1st. The duration of Coming Soon listings will extend from 30 days to 60 days. No public or broken open houses will be permitted, and rider signs will now be required. While the inputting of a list price in the Coming Soon listings remains optional, as of January, if you do enter the list price, then any price entered or changes in price will now display in the following areas. Let's take a look at some questions you might have. What happens if I started my Coming Soon listing in 2025 and the 30 days ends in 2026? The system will automatically allow up to 60 days from the date the listing was placed in Coming Soon. Agent and seller will continue to have discretion on the Coming Soon listing length. Can I accept or schedule a private showing? Yes, private showings are allowed. What happens if I've already scheduled an open house in the MLS for 2026? Well, the system will automatically delete any public or broker open houses on January 1st, so it no longer will appear in the MLS. What about scheduled open houses for 2026 outside of the MLS? No advertising of any public or broker open houses through outside sources is permitted. And cancellation of the physical public or broker open house is required.